up? We're back. We are at Cesar Chavez Middle School out here in Linwood, California. This is show 2 of the It's OK to Dream Tour. Last week we were at Rancho Verde High School, and this week we're gonna have the trilogy as well. We're gonna do the 90-minute keynote. We're gonna do a meet and greet, and then we're also gonna do a breakout session for the students. Today I'm here with our ASB students. Make sure y'all stay tuned so y'all can see the full-length video. Click the link in my bio, and then I want y'all to drop in the comment section which school y'all think was the most lit. Love. Most people in this world have sight, but no vision. And vision is seeing something that isn't actually in front of you. It is seeing something that no one else can see, but you can visualize it in your reality, and then you go and make it happen. In the streets, you are an entrepreneur. You have to have product. In business, you got to have product. In the streets, we call it work. But in corporate America, they call it product. In the streets, it's called the plug or the connect. In business, in corporate America, it's called your distributor. It's the same thing, it's different terminology. It's like a professional way to say it. Exactly. In the streets, they're called fiends, right? They're called the folks that you sell to. But in corporate America, it's called your ideal customer. It's the same thing, different terminology. So if you can make money in the streets, you for sure can make money in corporate America. You just have to find a legal product, the right distributor, your number one ideal client, and sell it to them. It's very simple.